Hello everyone. Welcome back to Homeschooling. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting such videos. So, today in this video, let's see some basic strokes for the beautiful cursive handwriting. We have also posted some other videos on this topic, basic strokes for good handwriting, good cursive handwriting. So, here is another one, thread strokes. So let's see the thread strokes for beautiful cursive handwriting. These are the basic strokes. So if we practice like this, so soon we'll be able to write cursive handwriting. So friends, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and please do visit our channel and watch other videos too, and please share our videos with your friends and the family. Take care. Bye.